If you're recovering from surgery or other treatment related to an impairment that was caused or made worse by your military service, you may be eligible to get a temporary 100% rating and added compensation while you recover, even if your underlying condition is rated lower. You may be eligible for this temporary rating boost during intense treatment or prolonged hospitalization for a service-connected disability or when recovering from surgery. These must be triggered by a specific medical event, not just the underlying disability related to your permanent rating. The treatment can be at a VA hospital or approved hospital or outpatient center. The VA disability process is often hard to understand. The VA has complicated rules and procedures for assigning disability ratings. It can be confusing. That's where we can help. We regularly produce fresh video content to help you untangle the ever-changing VA process. To stay in the know, hit the subscribe button. As you would expect, to qualify for a temporary 100% disability rating, you must meet specific requirements. If your condition required surgery, the surgery must have resulted in a recovery time of at least 1 month, and the surgery must have led to severe issues. What the VA considers a severe issue could include, for example, surgical wounds that haven't totally healed, being required to use a wheelchair or crutches, or being unable to leave your house. If your condition didn't require surgery, to qualify for the temporary increased rating, you must have had 1 or more major joints immobilized by a cast requiring at least a month of recovery. The rating increase can also be triggered by specific treatments, such as chemotherapy or radiation. The VA says the temporary 100% disability pay and benefits during critical recovery phases act as a safety net to prevent financial hardship while a veteran focuses on healing. The rating ends after treatment concludes, recovery stabilizes, or a reevaluation is done, reverting you to your previous rating or establishing a new permanent one. If your treatment occurs within the VA system, the temporary rating should be automatic. But if you're treated elsewhere, you must provide evidence that you met the qualifications. To get these benefits, you can file a claim on va.gov, or by mail, or in person, or with the help of a trained professional. Because filing for disability can be complicated and sometimes frustrating, hiring an experienced VA disability attorney to help you with your claim just makes good sense. At Cuddigan Law, we examine each case individually, develop the best strategy, and work with you to submit your claim or file an appeal if it's been denied. We only get paid when you win your case. Call or email us for a free evaluation of your situation.